The new Veritas Compact Router Table allows you to use your compact router or laminate trimmer in a table scenario, which is usually a little bit more safe. Now you can install this plate and put it into a table and use it with the bit facing up, which is fantastic. Slide it into place. You can secure it with a couple of screws, and there's also some adjustment screws on here that allow you to flush up the plate so that it's nice and even with the table. Now that the base is nice and flush, just have to add the fence. Slide it into the holes and then line up into the slots. And then set your fence by tightening it down. All right, now I've got the fence tightened, bit is installed and ready to go. I'm just going to throw on my safety glasses and also make sure that this is clamped to the surface you're working on so it doesn't move around on you.